Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Today I want to show you how to easily color grade a picture in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. Open the layer panel. Click and drag to duplicate the layer, and rename it to color grading. Then go to the filter, and choose Camera Raw filter. When the window opened, click on the lighting option, and increase the exposure to 1. The contrast 5. The highlight -21. The shadow -23. The white 7. And the black, -16. Then open the color options, and adjust these settings. Then open the curve options. Scroll down, and set the highlights to 5. Lights, -5. Darks, -6. And the shadow, 7. Now it looks good. Again open the color options, and increase the temperature. When it's done, click OK. This is the result. Hope you liked it. Please follow me on social media for more useful and effective videos. Thanks for watching.